This is just a short, quick video to show you the update procedure for the Sony head unit. First thing you want to do is, of course, check your current firmware version. Go to Settings, General Settings, and then scroll to the bottom and find firmware version. As you can see, mine shows 1.0.1.02. From the Sony website, it shows the current version being 1.02.06. So this is a newer version. You download that, then extract it to a USB drive, which I have here, straight to the root of it. It needs to be FAT32. So next, we're gonna go ahead and insert the USB drive. I have it in my port in my Jeep where I reran the wire to use the existing USB port. Alright, so I got it installed now. Can't really see that in dark probably. Alright, and so go back to just click here and make sure the source is off. Go settings. Scroll back down to firmware. And now you can see the update button is highlighted. So click the update. And now it's telling me I do have a new firmware version available, which as I said, that's 1.02.06, so I will update now. Alright, so it says do not shut down system or disconnect the USB device during the update. System will automatically reboot multiple times. Let me have a little progress bar there. So we're starting, so right now it's 9:56. See how long this takes to actually update. I do not suspect it'll take very long. Not sure it really gains any features. Just bug fixes or whatnot, nothing major, or we'll see, I guess, if I notice any difference. Alright, first reboot. Still less than a minute in. That is drastically brighter. I'm doing this at obviously almost 10 p.m. at night in my driveway in the dark, and that is pretty bright. Don't really care for that. So about halfway done. It's only been 1 minute, so pretty quick. Assuming that bar continues to move across. Like I said, I don't believe it has any features necessarily. There's just some random fixes in there, but I have had the unit reboot once or twice on me. I've only had it for less than a week at this point, so I'm not sure if that was just a random error or if there is a bug to be fixed, but hopefully this will take care of it. Alright, I'm going to pause it for a second while this goes through. Alright, we're getting closer. Looks like we're at 93%. I'm not sure if that's shown on the video or not. It's been about 5 minutes total. 94%. And it's pretty slow. There we go. I can see it. 94%. It's moving quickly is why I'm paused it, and it seems to slow back down, but now we're 96%. Hopefully this will, once they hit 100%, I'm hoping it reboots and it's done, because this is boring. Alright, I assume it'll reboot at this point. Alright, that's your standard warning message you get every time. My timer is way off because it was correct before. It does that annoying beep every time it comes on, and then does another one after that. I don't really understand why it does that, but don't really like it. Okay, and I'm assuming I'm done at this point. Let's check my settings and firmware just to be clear. And the firmware. Shows 1.0.206. Alright, so now we'll remove my USB. And now you see it. You can tell it kind of grayed back out. That might be hard to tell in the video. At this point, I really don't see anything different. I don't know if any different wallpaper's been added. It doesn't look like it. It seems to be the same options as previous. Let's see. So yeah, I don't know if there's anything major. I'll put a link to the update in the description, but to fix the time, it's real easy. Let's go settings, clock time, turn on. Don't know that's gonna, I don't really know what that does. Oh, it totally reset my date. Huh. Alright, so I'll change my date to that. Set date time. It is now August 1st, 2017. And here is 10:04 p.m. Alright, now it looks like we're good to go. So, pretty simple. Like I said, it's 10:04, so it's less than 10 minutes, and should have the update